Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED notifications on your Xiaomi 12. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now we'll write NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Now select this app and press on the install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and move to the next step. From here you will need to grant two permissions to the app, and the first one is notifications, and here you'll need to select NotifyBuddy and allow all notifications access. Now select this button right here, and after timer runs out you can press on the OK button. Now go back and do the same thing with overlay permission. Find NotifyBuddy, press on it and select allow. Go back, and the third option right here is battery optimization, and it's optional. You don't need to disable it, but if the app doesn't work properly for you, you should. Next step, press OK, and from here you can start using the app, and there's 4 tabs in the bottom and they all mean different thing. So let's get to user. From here you can select any app you want to get this custom LED notifications from. So for example, I'm gonna choose Spotify, and in the system apps you can find all system apps that you will get the custom notifications from. So here we'll select Google Chrome, for example, and go to the active, and from here you can see all the apps that you've activated. Now go to settings. To customize your LED, you can change the shape, size, or place on the screen, even the time between blinking, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version. So now if we press on the test button, we can see the LED lamp right here, and that's how it's gonna look when we get the notification when our phone is locked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.